Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the parent ring. The structure shown is a benzene ring with 4 substituents. Moving on to the next step. Identify the substituents on the ring by examining each group attached. One carbon substituent that appears as CH to CH3 ethyl group. Another CH to CH3 ethyl group on an adjacent carbon. A CH3 methyl group on the next carbon. A CH to CH to CH3 propyl group on the next carbon. Moving on to the next step. Number the ring to give the substituents the lowest possible locants. Starting from one of the ethyl-bearing carbons and proceeding around the ring to give the lowest set of locants to all substituents. C1 ethyl, C2 ethyl, C3 methyl, C4 propyl. This gives the locant set 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the lowest possible. And for the final step, list substituents in alphabetical order for the name, but assign numbers based on the numbering scheme. 1, 2 diethyl, 2 ethyl groups at positions 1 and 2. 3 methyl, methyl at position 3. 4 propyl, propyl at position 4. Diethyl, E, methyl, M, propyl, P. Alphabetical order is ethyl methyl propyl, so 1, 2 diethyl, 3 methyl, 4 propylbenzene. Verify the name is consistent with the structure shown in the image. 4 substituents on a benzene ring at consecutive positions 1, 2, 3, 4 matching ethyl, ethyl, methyl, propyl respectively. Therefore, the correct answer is 1, 2 diethyl, 3 methyl, 4 propylbenzene. The correct answer is shown on screen.